SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to screenshot on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to take a picture of the contents of your screen, then you need to do something called a screenshot. You can do a screenshot on your iPhone 15 by pressing the volume up button and the power button at the same time. That's going to cause the screen to flash white, and then you're going to see a thumbnail icon of the screenshot at the bottom left of the screen. So once again, to do a screenshot, you press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. It looks like this. And now you can either swipe that thumbnail icon away, or if you want to edit it, then you can tap on the thumbnail icon. Then you can drag the borders around until you've cropped out the parts of the screenshot that you want to eliminate. And then if you wanted to draw or write on the screenshot, you could tap this pen circle at the top, which is going to bring up this list of pen options at the bottom of the screen. So then you can choose one of those, and if you tap and hold on it, then you can adjust the transparency and the thickness of the pen. And then if you want to change the color, then you can tap the color picker and then choose from one of these options. And then if you tap this plus button, you can also choose to add a sticker or a text or a signature. But then you can just start drawing or writing on the screenshot. And once you're finished, just tap the done button at the top left and then choose to save it to photos or files. Or you could delete or copy and delete the picture. I'm just going to save it to my photos. So then you can just go into your Photos app, go into the Recents album, and find the screenshot there.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.